What is up, A-Team? Welcome back. Awesome Austin here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day, or not, depending on where you're at, but I hope it's awesome. And yes, we are back at it tonight. We're going to talk about the markets. We're going to talk about XRP, HBAR, Stellar. I'm even going to talk about a little about SUI today. We have a lot of things to talk about. It has started to come back around. A big WTF moment on today. And there's actually an article out there today, which I wanted to share with you guys about how everything sort of unfolded today with the whole with the whole Chinese, AI coming into the market here. You got Trump coming out speaking on it. It is a big WTF moment for a lot of people here. And I think it's important that we cover it because, we're talking about crypto. We're talking about tech. We're talking about a lot of things in this space. But before I do all that, I want to say what's up to everyone here in the chat. I am going to go through this pretty quickly. Hopefully my mic is working. I did adjust my mic now, and hopefully it sounds good. I don't know if it does or not, so give me a thumbs up if it does. If it doesn't, then maybe I'll have to readjust it. But hopefully all is good. But I'm going to say what's up to everyone in the chat here. We got Cool Ranch in the house here. What's up, bud? We got Billion Right, Route 66, Kevin, Z, Goal Scorer is up in the house here. We got Big Watch. What's going on? What's on Z, Goal Scorer? What's up, bud? RS Miller's in the house. Appreciate you guys all being here. We got Auto Pops, K Bowers, Mandy. What's up, Mandy? Kevin, Double D, Tony Punch. What's up, man? What's up? What's up? I'm scrolling fast, so if I miss some of you guys, I am sorry. I'll catch you guys somewhere in the chat throughout tonight's thing. Mike is good. Okay, good. DP, what's up, man? What's up? Heck yeah, dude. NVIDIA. I appreciate you. I appreciate you guys. I did not get A's in English class. All right. Gosh. Austin, what's going on, Silver Breeze? Good to see you, dude. Boomer's in the house. Turn on subscriber mode. Did I turn subscriber mode on? Let's see if I did. Subscriber mode's on, dude. Subscriber mode is on. Yeah, it looks like we just have fast people commenting today. We got Christina in the house here. What's up? Mike. All right. Here we are, guys. Here we are. We got a lot of things to cover out here. 808 Mimi, what's going on? Marty, I stacked on that. NVIDIA, you look rested. I feel rested, even though I just sat for literally 3 hours watching volleyball, which was great, dude. My son's team won. My son actually won the match on 5 straight serves, so I can't be too upset about that. XRP manipulation for sure. Yeah, the market's definitely down. So let's take a look on this. I think there's a lot of things to cover out here. The first one here is that the market's actually starting to come back. So again, we're back up to almost 3.5 trillion in the current market as of right now. The last hour, which just turned about 32 minutes ago, is looking pretty good on the last hour. You're starting to see Bitcoin come back around on the 24-hour chart. XRP up 2.24%. A lot of these things are coming back around, which is really, really nice. The only one that's underperforming a little bit right now is Hedera. It's only up about 10%, 0.10% on the last hour. It's still down almost 2% on the day. Over the 24-hour mark, but everything else is starting to come back nicely here. And so I think the big thing here is that what's nice that we ended the day, as you guys know, the NASDAQ came down pretty hot today, right? Almost 700 points on the day. Futures are actually looking a little bit better today. And it still said a little change after this, but one of the crazy things here is that NVIDIA shedded almost 600 billion in market cap. That is insane, dude. 600 billion in market cap. That is literally honestly, that's like one fifth or a little bit less than 1/5 of the total market cap of the entire market cap of crypto, which is just crazy to me, right? That's kind of where we're at. But I mean, they plunged a lot today. And one of the crazy things here is that you had Trump come out here and talk about this. The DeepSeek AI should be a wake-up call for the entire American tech industry. And the reason why I'm talking about this, I know we talk about crypto, but crypto is the future of technology for a lot of these things, right? A lot of this AI stuff is going to be built on blockchains. It's going to be built in crypto. A lot of these companies are already, dabbling in this stuff, and so it's super important that obviously crypto sort of plays on the same, I guess you could say the same parallel as that of just the NASDAQ itself. So crypto and NASDAQ are pretty similar in that regards. There is one thing in here, and it was basically what this guy said. Tom Lee says market sell-off sparked by DeepSeek was an overreaction. I couldn't agree more with this. This is a crazy, crazy overreaction to the market. I get that this DeepSeek thing is coming out here, and again, there's no article on this. I don't want to pay CNBC for anything, but really what it comes down to here is that there was a big overreaction to this. And as Trump said, this should be a wake-up call to all American tech companies out here. But his goal here is to make the US tech companies the dominant AI place in the entire world. They want to become the number one place in the world is America for any AI solutions. And so right here it says although this rose to the number one spot on the Apple Store over the weekend, there could be a potential for this Chinese app to actually get taken off of Apple and off Google. So again, I think some of these things are going to be raised. Issues are going to get raised on this. So we'll sort of see how this how this all unfolds. But strap up, dude. But I think that we've probably seen the biggest. I think we've seen the dip. I don't think that I don't know what's going to happen, but this might have been the event that we needed to take the next level. And I kind of hope that that's where we're at. You can see that Bitcoin is back above $102,000. As you guys know, this thing dipped all the way down to roughly 97. So now it's working its way back up. It's still in technically a buy zone here, depending on where people are at and where they're looking. But this is still a buy zone for Bitcoin. So yeah. NVIDIA. Media is out, most fearful that everyone will crash. Yeah. Don't listen to what people are saying out there. Again, they want you to sell your positions. A lot of these people want you to sell the positions that you're in. They want your Bitcoin. They want your stocks. They want your positions. And there's going to come screaming right back like we saw right here. So anyone that sold up here, sold their positions, they all got bought back up right here. You lose your position and you have to buy it at steeper prices. So mods are here also. I don't know what Austin had on YouTube. Housing, living with all the mods. So stoked for vlogs. What's up, girl? It's good to see you, man. XCN is XCN making a comeback now? TikTok downloaded on my phone 16 Pro, sells for eBay like 10,000. Oh, seriously? I did see that, Borshado. I did see that. Tony, dude, 1 month member, dude. Shout out to you, man. Shout out to Dave. Yeah, shout out to Dave, man. Shout out to Dave for just pumping up the channel, man. Dave is here. What's up, Dave? We got Con in the house, dude. Thanks so much for the $5. Hey, Austin, thanks for the information. Thoughts on a Render and other AI coins? I don't really have thoughts on Render. I know it's been around, but I don't really dabble into it too much, man. So again, appreciate the donation. I just don't know enough about it. I kind of stick with the AIs that are the cryptos that I think are more along the lines of helping with the AI stuff. And I mean, I consider like a lot of these cryptos they have to be, if you're in crypto right now, you have to think AI. I mean, even when you think of like Chainlink and you think of, even Ripple to some degree, I mean, they have to start dabbling in the AI stuff. So I don't know. I'm kind of thinking that all crypto is kind of trying to play into that whole narrative. BSX is pumping. What's up, Val? Good to see you, man. Zach is a click in the town I used to live in. Orosako. I don't even know where that's at. What could be the big news? Case settlement? Well, I don't know. We'll find out tomorrow, guys. I don't know if you guys want me to stream this or not. It's at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which would be 7 a.m. my time. I could jump on and do this. I wasn't thinking about it until someone brought it up this morning in the chat saying, are you going to stream this community day tomorrow? And it's right here. I think it's actually an X space. I clicked on it to see, and yeah, it's an actual X space tomorrow morning. And I think it'd be cool. I think maybe I will jump on doing that tomorrow. What do you guys think? Should I come on tomorrow morning? Will you guys want to do it with me, or are you going to just be in there yourselves? You let me know, dude. I'll do whatever. Pure wall added time to 0.004 pre-sale. What we could definitely talk about that here in a little bit. I'm going to get through some of this, and then we can jump into some of that stuff out there. What are we at right now? Yeah, there's about 13 hours left on that one. 13 hours until it jumps. Congrats to everyone that caught the bottom of the dip. Yeah, and that's one big thing here too is kudos to everyone that actually played the indicators. I said this morning on the stream, and Borshado, thanks for bringing us back up. But yeah, just super happy for a lot of people in the A team. Just like looking into Discord and talking to a bunch of people, and just everyone trusting the indicators and trusting that this was going to be, and to see how many people actually won today based off of just being able to buy these positions is like it's the best feeling ever, man. And I'm super happy for everyone that was able to get in on the dip. AVAX 95 calling for that. So you calling for a 95 on AVAX? Good question. I don't know. I don't know if it's the first one on there or not. That's a good question. It's been on there for a while. One holding I have is Caspa. You're only holding as Caspa, Dave? Damn. Hey, again, I would probably say, Caspa is a great one, but I'd probably say diversify your portfolio just a tad bit. WorldCoin's trash. What's up, John? What's up, Jeff Jones? I don't hold WorldCoin at all. So yeah, So as you guys can see that, one thing I want to see here is, dude, look at this, guys. Look at this. MicroStrategy launches STRK. They're launching another stock offering to expand their Bitcoin holdings. This is crazy. So says right here that MicroStrategy, which leads Bitcoin ownership disclosures, a growth. It says, MicroStrategy. I can't talk today, dude. MicroStrategy, which leads corporate Bitcoin ownership, disclosed a major growth of its cryptocurrency asset base. And it says MicroStrategy matches its assertive plan on gathering financing through equity and debt to support increase in Bitcoin. It's exactly what they do. I talked about this on the channel before about their money glitch that they're into here. And they're looking to do a strike preferred stock, which is basically a perpetual strike preferred stock called STRK. And that's kind of what they're trying to do here. It said each Stark share has a $100 liquidation preference and offers cumulative fixed rate quarterly dividends. Dude, that's crazy. Dude, they're going off the chains here, dude, with their stuff here, man. And now the public can actually invest in this, just like what they do with public offerings for investors coming in. They're now doing it with actual preferred stocks. So kind of crazy their game plan here. You got H bar at that in 29. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah, dude. That's awesome, Rebecca. 25 is conservative for this year, but XRP is the one I believe in. Oh, XCN. Yeah, Ryan. I mean, XCN's done very well for you guys, dude. I don't have any thoughts on XCN. I just know that a lot of people here have made a really good amount of money off of it. And I couldn't be happier for anyone on the A team that has made money off of XCN. Obviously it's coming down right now with the markets. I mean, the whole market's playing into that effect right now. It was sitting at roughly 5 cents or something like that. It's come down to roughly 3 cents. So, I mean, it's definitely lost about almost 50% of that top right there. But, that's what to expect when they have a major sell-off in the market. So, Richard, dude, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Will Powell crash the markets? I hope not. That usually when he comes out, there is some negative things about here. But Trump did come out here and say there was a actual video on, I think it was on X, and he basically said, "Well, the feds listen to you," and he said, "Yeah, they will." And I was like, "What a G, dude." So again, whether he comes out and makes them makes them say something that's positive for the markets would be nice. I don't know what's going to be said, but I have a feeling that Trump has probably talked to Jerome Powell, has probably talked to the Federal Reserves, at least the committee out there, and basically said, like, I demand you to be positive, and I demand you to, and so whether they take that or not, I don't know, but I'm hoping that it's positive tomorrow. I'm hoping that we have positive things or on Tuesday and Wednesday for sure. And we'll know basically what the outcomes are going to be. I have so much confidence the markets will explode. Oh yeah, dude. History is repeating itself right now, which is great. I mean, if you go back and look at the history of the market's looking really good. We know that February for the last 7 years has done really well. So, to say that we're going to go, I mean, maybe this is a year that does bad. I don't know. But history is telling us that it's done really, really good. So I'm going to bank on history because we already anticipated the markets right now. I mean, this dip was anticipated. This was a very much anticipated dip. So again, if you want to look at where it was, this is XRP at the top up here. It dipped roughly 20, almost 22%. Yeah, about 22% dip. Right. So I mean, when I look at that, like, I'm kind of like, okay, that's actually pretty good, right? When we look at those dips like that. So, again, H bar, when you go back and look at H bar took a bigger dip than that, almost a 28% dip. I actually think it was a 28% dip. It was a 27.5% dip, right? Last night I was calling for a 28% dip from the top. And that's where we actually put our numbers. We put it right on the 28% mark. And I had mine sitting at 29,380, which is actually a little bit above the 28%. And this thing came down almost at 28%, but we actually bought right at the bottom here. Very rarely, dude, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, very rarely do I actually hit the bottoms like this. Like, I'll get close, right? I'll get close, but not like that close. That is like the closest I think I've ever been to a bottom. I'm not even gonna front you guys, dude. 29,380 was like a ridiculous call yesterday. Like that, I couldn't believe that actually hit. As you guys know, I did have one up here at 30.75. It was 31, but for some reason I had it in a 30.75 in my phone, and that's what I ended up buying at. And then I ended up buying another dip here at the 29,380. But that was what we anticipated, was a 28% dip in the market, and it hit hard too. And like right now, I mean, let's see here. Just in yeah, and just in XC, like XRP is looking really good, up to 309 right now for XRP. XRP is absolutely doing killer right now, and H bar is kind of underperforming right now, just a tad bit. But yeah, dude, I put roughly what was that, 2 4 yeah, I put 40. Yeah, I shouldn't even say it. I put a lot of money in the park. I put a lot of money in H bar yesterday, dude. We'll just say that, dude. I don't want to say how much, but I put a lot of money in H bar yesterday. I put a lot of money in Stellar last night as well, and they're both doing phenomenal today. So that's all that matters. Yeah, they're doing it all based off dividends. Wait, what's a hot wallet? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's look at that, dude. I could. Let's see. I put out a poll on this. 67% of people in here. So we have roughly 575 people that have voted, and 68% of the people say they don't know what a non-custodial hot wallet is. Okay, that's a good gauge of where we're at. Yeah, definitely take a vote. We have roughly 1,219 people in here watching. If you can like go over there and take a vote on the poll. I did put a poll out there about do you know how to use a non-custodial hot wallet, which is basically just like a SafePal, MetaMask, Coinbase like wallet. That's kind of what I was asking. People selling BTC and gold for XRP. Yeah. So funny, the deep sea, not very transparent, and then you find out that it's about 50,000. Dare, I know, dude. That's so crazy to me, dude. So crazy to me. But yeah, I'm happy to see that look at this, guys. We are like, XRP is great, dude. Anyone that got in on this dip right down here at 265, I mean, you're sitting on such a nice little comeback right now. Look at that, dude. Almost a 15% return, dude, since last night. 15% return last night if you got in on the XRP dip right there. Unfortunately, I did not. I was hedging my bets. I was waiting for the 255, did not hit. I ended up moving my money over to H bar and XLM. As you guys know, I do have a large long-term bag for XRP. So I was trying to focus on maybe the switch of here with H bar. And this one's kind of lagging from where we bought yesterday, but still up almost 7% right now. And same with Stellar. Stellar is actually doing pretty good too. I bought down here at the 37.2 level right here, and this one's up about 10%. So still looking good, but overall XRP is looking phenomenal. Back up into the nice little sell zone. As you guys know, this is the kind of area that we wanted to play with when you have XRP. So again, we'll probably have this pump. It'll probably come up here, it'll settle down, and then maybe fall back down somewhere in here, and we'll probably play that game. So that's kind of where it's at. What's the news for tomorrow? Work all day. I was just saying that tomorrow we have the XRP Community Day. It's going to be hosted on X, and it's going to start at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I was just saying, I think I'll probably jump on and stream it tomorrow morning. Dude, much needed. Yeah, what's going on, Queef? Would you buy more H bar or XCN? Oh, H bar for sure. Yeah, do not hold XCN. Grabbed more Chainlink and XRP this morning. Okay, damn. All right. What's up, Odd Robot? Can you have a chance show us the fib settings in your trading view? Yeah. Well, I'm going through the chat. I'll put up the settings right here, so you can take a screenshot of it. That's my settings for the fib. Why I go through the chat here. XRP goes to 675 this run. You think 675? I'm still thinking that 710, dude. Cup and handle for XRP for the 15-minute. All right. Ryan, dude, thanks so much for the $5, dude. You have a great attitude and perspective on life. Thank you for contributing and sharing, helping others through your content. Oh, Ryan, I appreciate that a ton, man. Yeah, I think it's what's hard in this space is a tough space to be in. It really is, dude. You get eaten up and spit out. And anything you do or say, it's a challenging space for sure. And so one thing I learned being here for so long is that it's hard to find it's hard to find a place you can go to and actually learn and get your questions answered. And so I've always tried to shift that in my content, is to have a community of people that want to come in here and take it serious and have a fun time also with it, and then be able to have their questions answered to the best of my ability. And then a lot of people that have been here, like the mods and people that have been on the A team and been here for quite some time, can answer, like, Big Watch Dude and everyone else here. You got Seiko and everyone that can answer questions as well. And I do appreciate them a ton. You selling so you have funds to buy these dips, or are you keeping money on the side always? So I was day trading, I was swing trading JPEG. And then I told everyone that I was waiting for this dip. I was going to basically go all in on this last dip, and I did. I went all in on this last dip. So I was waiting for this to come through. So we were day trading a lot of this. A lot of this came through here. And then when we started day trading, I sold this, and then the dip was coming down. And, basically right after inauguration day, I was like, dude, the dip's probably going to come. The dip's going to come. I was basically anticipating that the dip was going to come before inauguration day, but the dip did not come before inauguration day. It kind of did a little bit right here. Then we had this slight pump, and it's fallen off since, which again is a reflection of 2017. 2017 is the exact same deal, dude. If you go back and look at 2017, right after inauguration day, we had a massive decline, almost a 30% decline in the market. And so no different than what we're seeing here is that we've had a nice little dip down in the market from basically inauguration day. So again, Bitcoin's roughly down about 10%, which again is not the biggest compared to the previous years. But nonetheless, we did have a pretty big dip right here, different year, different time. But that's kind of where it was at. And so I held a lot on the side to answer your question. That was a short story long. I held on the side waiting for this dip to come, and then I went straight for it, dude. Fear and Greed Index at 39. Time to load up. Hell yeah, Dave. We got Dave in the house here. That's not the Dave from this morning. The real Dave was David, I think. So I got my XRP dip prematurely, but still glad I got more. Hell yeah, Rebecca. I got it at 290. I was working. I get that. Yeah, you got to go set those limits. You know what I mean? My limits, I set a really aggressive limits on HBAR and XLM. I mean, I didn't think that we were going to hit 29,380. That was super aggressive, and it hit, and it paid out nicely, dude. They hit quick, so it was nice to get those. Best swing trade right now is definitely HBAR, dude. HBAR is my biggest swing trade right now. In full transparency, dude, my swing trade on Hedera is I put $50,000 into this swing trade on Hedera. And so this is going to be a longer swing trade. Like I'm going to anticipate this thing. I'm probably going to hold through February, dude. This will probably be, I'm going to try to get as much out of this swing trade as possible. So that's me being fully transparent with you guys. Usually I don't share that kind of stuff, but I think I did go all out on this. I actually shared it in Discord. I actually screenshot it and shared it in Discord, my purchases. So it was, I'm all in on this HBAR and XLM. XLM, I put $20,000 in Stellar on this swing. So grab some XLM. Yeah. You have been a lifesaver. I look forward to your live streams every day. 808, I appreciate you, man. You're always here, 808 Mimis. Appreciate you a ton, dude. Do you think we will have an explosion in XRP? I hope so. I have not looked at that. As a newbie, I feel welcome. No fear for asking questions. Yeah, dude, ask away, Chris. Ask away, dude. That's what we're here for. Ondo's huge, big summit coming. Yeah, I mean, Ondo's had a pretty good dip, right? I did not hate Ondo, dude. I just know that there was going to be some sell-offs with it. Obviously with the anticipation going up to the 18th, there was some sell-offs here, but it worked its way out of that hole nicely. Right? We knew that January 18th was going to be their sell, but like I said, they worked out nicely here. But I mean, dude, like if you want to talk about a potential swing trade, I mean, this thing is down roughly about 36%, 38% from its high of this cycle. So, I mean, if you're trying to get a big bag, I mean, or trying to get it back, I mean, that's 60, you can have a 68%, 61% increase. So yeah. Billy, dude, thanks so much for the $5, dude. What would be the most bullish news coming this week? Most bullish news coming this week would be probably anything Jerome Powell says that could be bullish. I mean, if he That's probably what you're looking for, dude. That's probably the most bullish thing is if it comes out and we have maybe a potential rate cut coming up or whatever they discussed, and if there's any positivity as to inflation coming down, stuff like that, I think would be really, really good. We got earnings this month as well. We're gonna have earnings coming out with the big techs. I think the earnings are. Let's see, earnings calendar. I think it's actually this week. Earnings this week. Let's look at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ's going to have pretty big earnings this week. We got, let's see, tomorrow you got Boeing tomorrow, Lockheed Martin tomorrow, Starbucks. You got, those are your large ones tomorrow. On Wednesday, we'll have, I'm going to share my chart up here with you guys. We got Microsoft on Wednesday. This is going to be a really big week for tech, dude. We got Meta, Tesla, T-Mobile. We got ASML on Thursday. This is going to be a big week for the stock market. So this is, if we come in positive, right? If earnings are positive, we could actually have a really, really good week, specifically after today's catastrophic event. We got Apple on Thursday. We got Visa, MasterCard, Shell, Caterpillar, Comcast, Blackstone. We got some big ones coming out here. We got UPS. We'll actually see how the UPS is. We got ExxonMobil, Chevron. Gosh, dang, we got a lot. Phillips 66, dude. This is gonna be a big week for. We got. Oh yeah, dude. We got a big week, dude. So again, just prepare for this. This is gonna be a big week coming into the end of this week. Tomorrow's gonna be a big day too. But your biggest day, we got Boeing, Lockheed Martin, Starbucks. Those are some big ones. We got Royal Cruise Caribbean, General Motors is coming out as well. But yeah, Wednesday is gonna be huge with Microsoft, Meta, and Tesla. If these come in negative, we're gonna have a market sell-off probably. Let's see here. 50 bands. Yeah, I went all in, bro. No, dude. It's part of the game, dude. Scared money don't make money, dude. Yeah, yeah. I shared it in Discord. I just, just in full transparency of what I'm doing, so people know like that I'm really, because it's one thing to come out here and say what you're doing and all this kind of stuff, but I think it's important that you guys I share it so that people know that it's real. It's not like just this fake facade. A team is the best, learning a lot about the market. Thanks so much, Austin, for sharing your knowledge. Hey, no problem. Appreciate you being here, Nez. That one guy, scared money don't make money. Yeah, just right, ride or die. Heck yeah, that one guy. Appreciate that. Thanks so much for the donation. Did you see Elon Musk's tweet? I don't know if that was actually a tweet. Apparently, he tweeted about XRP. Yeah, I don't know if that was actually real or not. I don't know if that was real. Gary apologized to Ripple. Did he? That was so funny if he came out. Market's going down tomorrow, no matter what's due to the fear. I don't know about that. Starbucks. Yeah, we gotta get that Starbucks. I'm gonna go buy some Starbucks tomorrow just for my Starbucks earnings coming in. I just brought some XCN. Your thoughts? I don't know enough about XCN. I don't own it, so I know people like it here, and I'm all for it, dude. If you won't forget, the Pure Wallet discussion. Thanks for doing that. Oh yeah. We could definitely share. I'll definitely share the Pure Wallet. Because a lot of people are asking about the Pure Wallet. As you guys know, there is a pre-sale for it. Anyone that wants to get in on the pre-sale of the Pure Wallet, it's out there. Now the biggest question is the connecting of the wallet. So I could probably share if people actually want to go through that. I did say I was going to do it, Billion, right? So I'll definitely hold me accountable to that. Let me get through some of the questions here. Total respect for coming out with your positions. Definitely concretes the fact that you're legit and believe what you're saying. Yeah, Jacob. Again, and it is what it is, right? We're up right now. So now the thing is setting stop losses, right? So set that stop loss so you don't lose that profit. I want to hold it long term, but at the same time, I'm not going to take a loss. You know what I mean? So stop losses have been set. You got to make sure that you protect those profits. Even if you put that much money in, you still got to go around and protect them. So definitely go do that. Austin, do you think bull run will be delayed? No, I don't think so. I got another 2.5K. Should I buy the dip? Well, right now we'll probably have a nice little settle down. We're coming back right now strong. This is really good. So what you want to do now is you want to try to play these fair value gaps. Like let's just take XRP here. This is a good area. We'll just take the 4-hour chart here. Let me zoom in a little bit here. So you can see there's a nice little fair value gap that was left here around this price right here. So this will probably come up, fill this gap, and we'll probably, we could get rejected right here. You can see there's a lot of resistance right here at the 313 marker. So we could hit this and then probably bounce back off that, or at least fill this fair value gap up here, and then maybe work our way back down to fill this fair value gap right here. So again, you're gonna start to see, look at that, dude. Soft just happened. We're just right. We just hit the new 4 hour right here, I think. Was that the 4 hour? Yeah. We just hit the new 4 hour. The new 4 hour candle just hit, and I just said that, and it bounced off right where I said it was going to hit. As soon as I saw that red, I was like, "Holy crap, dude! We just actually bounced off that." So we'll see how this happens. We'll probably fill this little fair value gap right here, and it can work its way back down to fill this right here. And again, we know that if it plays into this 0.5, anywhere from the 382 to the 0.5 area, like, this is a really good buy area, dude. This is a good buy area right now. We're seeing this area right here as good buy. This is just a big dip right here, and it was still a good purchase. So 12 hours working its way back up, which is really, really nice. The day chart is still working its way down, which again is telling me that we're going to kind of probably have something like this, what we'll see right here. We'll probably have an up. We'll probably have a down again. We'll probably play this whole thing right here. Here's the dip. Then we'll run back up, and we'll probably run back down, which again is what you see right here. We have the down. We'll have the down right here, and then we'll have the up. And you can see that. Look at that dip right there. That is a crazy. We ended the day. We actually ended that day in the green. Even after that big dip, we ended the day with the green. That's freaking crazy, dude. That just shows you how resilient XRP is, dude. How did you trade your first bull run? I was not that good, dude. I was actually not that good in the first bull run, dude. I made money. Don't get me wrong. I made money, but I made it off of like SHIB, Doge, other shit coins that I was jumping in. That didn't make it off any good plays. It didn't make it off any like legit cryptos. I take that back. SHIB's legit. Dogecoin's legit. But you get what I'm saying. It wasn't off of like anything. It wasn't off like anything. It wasn't like off XRP. It wasn't off like HBAR. It wasn't off any of these top cryptos. I mean, I guess I did make a little bit off of Ethereum. I did make some off Bitcoin, but like it wasn't. I didn't set myself up like I am now. Yeah, it should be on Google as well. So yeah, it definitely is on Google. And again, I want to talk about. I'll talk about Pure Wallet, but I just don't. I want to get a gauge for the room right here because some people don't really give a crap about it, and you usually lose a lot of people if we start talking about a random pre-sale project. So, people don't like that. I definitely will stay off of it. Solana and Ethereum, trading my kidney for XRP. But I did see the poll here, and one thing I want to make sure. So we had almost 1,000 votes right now. I think it's still calculating right now. It's at 935 votes. 68. That means almost 70% of you guys. That is crazy. Right here, look at that. 68% right now out of almost 1,000 votes is has never downloaded a non-custodial hot wallet or knows what a non-custodial hot wallet is. That's pretty remarkable, actually. Wow. I'm buying kidney. So really, what it comes down to is that that means that a lot of people here buy on exchanges. So majority of the people here are probably buying on like Coinbase, Crypto.com, Uphold. And when you try to go into decentralization, and decentralization is like actually buying on the blockchain. So like instead of buying on the exchange, you're going to go buy on what they call the DEX, or they're going to go call it, which is the decentralized exchange here. And so you can go over here and you can actually trade on any DEX you want. Solana, Ethereum, BNB, whatever you want. There's all these different XRPL, which again is a lot of the meme coins right here. So anyone here for XRP, you could go over here to the XRPL and you can actually trade on the XRPL, which tells you all the projects that are over here on the XRPL. But to be able to trade these, and again, these are a lot when you ask me like, hey, how did you get into Pepe so early? Well, I bought Pepe when it first launched, right? So here's Pepe. And I bought Pepe back when it first launched. Let me close down this the video. That site's ridiculous. When it first launched. So obviously I bought Pepe on the DEX. So if you want to get into the projects early, you got to buy on the DEX side. And again, it's hard to judge which projects are going to make it. A lot of projects don't make it. A lot of projects actually die out because it's really hard to make it in crypto space. I mean, probably 95% of the projects out there will come to the end. Will come to an end eventually. So if you want to get into new projects when they first launch and things like that, or find good ones, you got to basically trade on the DEX side and move them over. Like it's like when everyone was trying to buy Trump, the only way you could buy Trump was on the Solana network. So you had to actually go over and create a Solana based. Where's my Solana? Right here. You had to go over and create Solana and go over and trade Trump right here on the Solana network. If you wanted to get in before it got onto Coinbase, before it got onto Robinhood, before all that kind of stuff and miss out on that pump, you got in on the DEX side. So you have to go and create a non-custodial wallet, which again, up here I have it is my MetaMask. And again, I don't mind sharing this with you guys. I think it's cool for transparency. This doesn't bother me, and so really what it comes down to for me is that, having a MetaMask, or you can go over here and you can have a SafePal. I have 2 of them here. You can see right here, I have a SafePal and actually Coinbase, and there's a Terra Station wallet right here for Terra Luna, but you could do Coinbase as well. There's a Coinbase extension on here as well. I'm not a big fan of the Coinbase wallet, and I'm going to be honest with you, like it's not even my favorite to even trade with for the DEX side. I don't even mess around with Coinbase wallet because it's not even nice. My favorite wallet extension though is the SafePal wallet right here, and I'm actually going to unlock it over here, and we can use this one. So let me unlock my SafePal wallet over here. There we go. So you can see right here, there's a SafePal wallet as well. So you can see there's the SafePal. And so you can do a lot of things over here. SafePal makes it really nice for the dApps and everything. Like you go over here to dApps and they have like, you can see right here, I have the Pure Wallet AI already tapped in on it. So again, this makes it really, really easy from being able to buy on the DEX side. You can actually go in here and enter into anything that you want, Radium.io, PureWallet.ai. It's actually inside here right now. So this is really what you want to do. You want to go to SafePal. You want to actually drop and create a wallet. So go on to just like go to MetaMask, right? MetaMask, or do SafePal. MetaMask is a little more old school. It's not as user friendly. SafePal is where it's at, but you go to MetaMask right here, and you can actually get this downloaded on your phone. It makes it really, really easy. Or you can go to SafePal. I like SafePal. I think SafePal is really good for anyone that's new to crypto. SafePal is like a really, really user-friendly crypto hot wallet, which is also called a non-custodial wallet. And so here's the app right here. You can download it. So just go over here to the app, download it, and then you would just basically go to the Apple Store, anywhere you want to go get it, and then you're able to go get it. And then right here, you can have an extension, which you can have on your computer, which is what I have right here. This is the extension, which you can have right here. And they also do like cold wallets. This is also one of their cold wallets, which a couple friends of mine have this, and they actually like it. But to each our own on that. Tangent Easy compared to Ledger. I have a SafePal, but when I tried to transfer it to it, I lost the funds. So yeah, that's one thing you got to be really careful is when you transfer money over to these things, like let's just take SafePal. Like if you're transferring an ETH, all right, let's go back to SafePal here. So one thing with ETH is that you got to make sure that you're transferring to ETH. So like you go to the ETH wallet, right? Just like this, you have the little symbols next to it. I don't want to do this right now. You can see right here, there's let me see why this is asking me to back up now. Let's see. Okay. Just a sec. Sorry, I'm trying to get this thing set up because it's being really freaking annoying. Sorry, it's having me set this back up right here because I can't share with you guys, which is super annoying to me. So just give me 1 second here. All right, cool. Now it makes it easier. Gosh, dang, that was ridiculous. Okay, way easier now. Okay, so let's go back here. So you have this Pure Wallet right here, you have this right here. And so you want to make sure that you see your symbols right here. So you got BNB. So make sure when you send it to here, you go to the Ethereum. Make sure you're sending to Ethereum. Make sure you're not sending it to like Ethereum base. Make sure it's Ethereum. Make sure you're not sending it to BNB. Just like if you go over to SafePal wallet right here, you go to SafePal. again, it accepts Solana. So you got to click on Solana and actually receive the Solana address. Okay, that's where you want to receive it. You'll receive it right here. You'll click. This is the wallet for Solana. So you don't want to send Ethereum to Solana. You don't want to send ETH to Solana. You want to send Solana to Solana, BNB to BNB, ETH to ETH. So you got to really double check that stuff. It's like super important that you double check that stuff. Okay, because you can send it and it'd be really screwed. That nonsense Sage. If you had 500 ETH, what would you swap it for and hold it, or take half and put it into what? You know, I'm really into the H bar. I'm really into the XLM and XRP right now, dude. That's probably my biggest focus, to be honest with you. Hope you have chips in the day. Yeah. So let's see here. They made it very safe. Yeah. I have a Tangem on my desktop. Haven't set it up yet. Oh, okay. Do you think XRP is going to be backed by gold? I don't know about that. It takes 5 minutes to set up. Oh, yeah. Are you talking about a hot wallet? So yeah, just go through and you want to create the hot wallet, save your seed phrase. And then now once you have this, you can transfer ETH. So you'll go here and you'll actually send ETH to here. So you'll say receive. Here's your ETH wallet. So if you go to the exchange and you say send, you're going to send to this wallet. You'll copy this wallet and you'll paste it in your exchange. So like if I went to Coinbase, let's just say I went to Coinbase and I had ETH over here. So let's actually let's take advanced off and go here. And I wanted to send ETH. What I would do is I would say, send crypto, and it's going to have to be verified account, but I'd say send crypto, and it would say, okay, to what wallet? Then I would go up here and I would select my Ethereum wallet, and I would say, right here's the wallet. I'd copy this, boom, I'd copy it, and then I would say send to this wallet, and it would tell me, I would say, okay, I want to send X amount, and it would get sent to that wallet. Then the biggest thing you want to do is you want to go over to Pure Wallet here. And this is probably the question that people had right here is, as you guys know, this is where you connect your wallet now. So what you want to do here is connect your wallet. So you're going to say connect, and now you're going to choose which one you want. So I'm going to choose, let's just choose MetaMask, okay? So now MetaMask is going to come over here and it's going to ask me to connect. It's going to actually bring up a little thing over here asking me to connect. And you can see right there, it's saying connect. So I'm going to say connect. And now it's connected. So this is like your first decentralized thing. And as you can see, yesterday I did buy some, right? And as you guys know, you can go over here and you can look at my wallet. I have roughly about $1,268 in Ethereum over on this wallet. And so it's telling me right now that I have a reflection of about 0.3962 Ethereum that I can spend over here. One thing you do not want to do is hit max. You do not want to hit max because then it doesn't leave enough gas in here to buy here, because you got to pay gas fees to be able to buy this crypto, right? Anytime you buy on the decentralized side, you got to pay gas fees. So you don't ever want to hit max. You'll want to do like roughly, you'll say, okay, I'm going to do, if I want to buy, let's just say I want to buy $1,000, right? You're going to say, okay, so 0.039, and that's going to leave, I'm going to leave the 62 on there because I don't want to spend the 62 right there, if you can see, because I'm going to leave that for some gas, right? And so that's kind of what you want to do. And then you'll sit down here and you'll say buy with crypto, and then it's going to pen, and then it's going to go boom, and it will actually change your Pure Wallet balance. So that's what you want to really pay focus to. And then once that happens, it's going to go into your wallet, and now it's in your non-decentralized wallet. You'll actually, and those tokens will not go to your wallet until the project launches. When the project launches, these tokens that you see right here, these 3,000 right here, these will get airdropped to your wallet. The wallet that you used right here, this wallet right here, this address, will then be used as the airdrop wallet, and those are where the tokens will get dropped to. So that's really it's super easy to do. So again, and anytime you want to double check your balance of these, you can just put connect your wallet back to the site. Like you can just disconnect this wallet right here, disconnect, and you're like, okay, I want to check my balance again. You log back in, it asks you to connect, boom, and then it pops right back up again. So very, very easy to do. If you've never been to the decentralized side, this is a really easy step to do. And pre-sale, the reason why pre-sales are nice for most people that are new to crypto is because you don't have to go chasing the decentralized exchanges. So what gets stressful with these new cryptos that launch is that you're going out there and you're chasing these cryptos that just launched. And number one, you're going to get hit with high price impacts, meaning that the prices are going to be very volatile. So you have a chance to lose money because they're going to spike, and then you won't get as much tokens as you should, or they'll fall and you'll get less. And so it's just very volatile. On top of that, like when you're going in, you're chasing these new these new launches is that you can get attacked by snipers, and they'll snipe, and they'll, again, they kind of take tokens, and they squeeze you, they sandwich you between purchases. It's a joke. And so what's nice about airdrops is that this just goes to your wallet, and then you can just be like, you know what, I'm just going to watch this. I don't have to fight for any position. I don't have to do anything. Here we are. So that's what's nice about it. Murdoch, thanks so much for the $10, dude. When I tokenize an asset, how does that get loaned out for a passive income? When I tokenize an asset, how does that get loaned out? Well, it all depends on how, I guess, you tokenize it, right? I mean, if it's you tokenize it like through an NFT, or you tokenize it through, I mean, I guess you'd have to tell me the asset of which you're tokenizing for you to get that passive income, Murdoch. Thanks for the donation, but give me an example of what you would look at and how that would work. You're the roaring kitty of crypto. I don't know. I appreciate that. Roaring Kitty is he's definitely on a different level than me, for sure. I mean, he's done some pretty crazy stuff in this space to help a lot of people. Hogzilla, it's worth the price. Oh, you guys are talking about something else. What's up, Hog? Good to see you, man. Great explanation of the Pure Wallet. Yeah, that's the easiest way. So it's not going to the Pure Wallet. So the Pure Wallet's a separate deal. Like, this is just the interface that you're acting with. So the Pure Wallet is something you can actually go download over here. And this is still in testnet. So, like, don't go send your ETH to this yet, because it hasn't been put on the mainnet yet. So again, this is actually has to get approved by Apple for the mainnet. It's in testnet. Like, again, I can look on here because it's on testnet, but it's not on. So sending ETH over here, it might not show up. It'll show up on the blockchain, but it might not show up on the interface until Apple updates it. So we're still waiting for Apple to update them to the mainnet on here. So that's the big thing. So just be aware of that. So if you're putting money here, you'll be able to see it on this interface. I'm gonna become a billionaire in 2025. Hey, Austin, iPhone 1 on XDC. Do you think it's at least gonna go back up to 4 cents? I don't know, dude. I don't know. Tax David, dude, thanks so much for gifting 1 membership to the A team, dude. If Dave gifted you a membership, please say thank you. And yeah, appreciate that a ton, dude. So there it is. That's how you get into the pre-sale. If anyone's having issues with that, we could talk about it in Discord as well. But it's actually really easy to do. Right now, as you guys can see, there's roughly about 12 hours for you to still get it at this price of 4 cents, and it's going to go up from here. So like this, I don't know what the next price is going to be. Again, the development team would know that. I don't know what it's going to go to. But yeah, that's kind of what you want to do. This will just continue to go higher and higher and higher, and so you're going to get less and less and less amount of Pure Wallet token as the time goes on. But this will eventually get out there to more and more people, hopefully, and you'll see what happens. Y'all building a great community here, Chameleon. Oh, thanks so much, man. Thanks so much, dude. So that's kind of where it's at right now. Oh yeah, I want to show you guys this, dude. So I want to talk about Sui real quick. I forgot to talk about this, but can you guys believe this, dude? So Zach XBT, he's obviously a big crypto detective in this space. He uncovered that in December of 2024, Sui blockchain was hacked for $29 million, dude. And he came out and showed that Tornado Cash and Ethereum intermediaries are the ones who've stolen the cash. So Tornado Cash is still out there, still being used as a way to for a lot of these people to launder their money through stolen funds. It's kind of crazy, dude. So I guess the homework for tonight for a lot of people here is to go, if you haven't downloaded a non-custodial wallet, go download like a SafePal or a MetaMask and just get your feet wet. Like I said, just get it, keep that seed phrase, and just hold on to it. Oh, really? Cat, that's pretty crazy. A policeman got hacked. All right. The fear is that tokenization assets that will be held financial institutions could be fractionalized and abused like cash, even though there is no safety net. Yeah, I'd have to. I might have missed what Murdoch was saying. Let's say that it's land I own outright. Yeah, that's gonna be tough. I don't know how that would. Zach, I saw that Murdoch replied. Yeah, I don't know how that would work. To be honest with you, dude, it's a good question. I don't know how the tokenization. I think about like when you do. Yeah, it does depend on the benefits. So staking does depend on the benefits that are given, right? So I mean, any crypto out there, like even if we go look at, let's just take Coinbase for instance, right? We can go home, and they got a lot of little things that you can do out here. I think like USDC. I think you can actually stake your USDC out here. Explore. Um, yeah, like right here, you can see earning assets. So they want you to earn assets over here. So earn rewards by holding USDC or by buying and staking eligible assets. So the highest one is Cosmos. So they're obviously Cosmos is partnering with Coinbase, which you can see right here. And they want you guys, Cosmos wants you to stake, meaning they want you to hold Cosmos and they want you to hold a floor. So staking helps hold floors for projects. And so, you can see that there's a whole bunch of these things that you can buy and stake. And I mean, that's just 15% APY. That means if you put $1,000 in here, let's just say you put $1,000 in here, you're gonna be walking away with about $150 at the end of the year. So is that $150 worth it to you for holding $1,000 in here? I don't know. Some people think it is. But if you're putting $100,000 in here and you walk away at the end of the year with $15,000, people are excited about that kind of stuff. So, you get a lot of people in here that hold a lot of money. You put $200,000, you're making $30,000 a year by just holding on here. So staking could actually be extremely lucrative, depending on how much you're staking and what the APY is actually. What it is actually. So, yeah. Let's see. Downloaded it to your computer. Really, is that safe? Yeah. I don't see why it's not. It's just a decentralized wallet. That's all it is. Do you know what's funny, David? I owned Alchemy so long ago. It's funny to see it actually ramp up. Yeah, that's crazy. See, 17%, you're getting 14. Yeah, it's pretty wild. It takes a long, and it could take up to like 7 to 14 days to unstake. That's one thing with the TerraStation wallet over here. I don't know if you guys know this, but TerraStation had, this was actually a wallet that was used. I'll tell you the truth, I don't even know if I know what my password is for TerraStation. Crap. I probably got to go back and look. Let's see. Let's see here. Yeah, so you can go in here and you can see your staked Terras. And so what happens is you can actually go and let's see, this is classic. Oh, it's having me. That's funny, dude. So your old TerraStation wallet, you could actually go here and you could stake your cryptos up. It took like 27. I think it was like 14 and 21 days to get your stuff unstaked, which is crazy. I don't think so, Real Patriot. I don't think you can do that. I think it's still stuck on the application that I'm aware of. Yeah, the application that I'm aware of. Seiko, we got Seiko Hunt in the house here. Appreciate you, man. 83,000 strong. Yeah, I appreciate that, dude. Yeah. What about the briefcase? What do you mean? What about the briefcase? So these are like simply so like when you have projects out here that are talking about staking, that's really what staking is to create a allows big time holders to come in and hold the floor for the project because they're going to get a kickback and holding that. So like let's just say like give you an example. When Ethereum went out there and they did all their staking, for a lot of these people, they staked their Ethereum on these exchanges in anticipation of Ethereum 2.0 to come out. Oh yeah, one positive thing here too. I just want to tell you guys this too. When you're going onto a website like let's just say purewallet.com, you can see I've already disconnected. It's a habit of mine. So if you connect your wallet to this, right? When you're done using it, disconnect your wallet from this stuff. All right. Even Pure Wallet, any site out there you want to disconnect from. Like even when you go into SafePal wallet and stuff like that, you go into the extensions here, you can go down to the dApps and you can see like, you can see what going to Radium here. You want to actually get disconnected. See, you want to come in here and you want to say disconnect. Okay. So now you're no longer connected to these sites. Same because again, these are in your wallets. So you want to make sure that you're out of these sites. So again, you want to go over to SafePal wallet here. You want to go into your dApps and you want to click on here and you want to make sure that you actually disconnect, which again, here we'll disconnect and then boom, you no longer are connected. So make sure you're doing that as well. Make sure you're going in and disconnecting your wallets. Austin, the Mr. Miyagi of crypto. Cold wallets are the safest. Yeah. So you got obviously the exchanges are super non-safe. Then you have non-custodial hot wallets, which are the decentralized side. They're you now own your crypto by moving it to a non-custodial wallet. And again, it's better than an exchange now because now you own your crypto, but you can click on nefarious links. You can scan things that can really hurt you. So you want to actually move them over to a ledger or a cold, not just ledger, any cold storage that allows you to hold it in an offline setting. And that's the big thing here. So, and that's what's the cool part about Pure Wallet is that Pure Wallet is the first cryptocurrency hot wallet, cold wallet, and offline wallet all built in one. So it's really the first hybrid wallet out there, which is pretty badass. I'm not gonna lie. So that's the kind of stuff that I'm here for, the technology and the growing technology in this space. And unfortunately, a lot of the technology gets stale in this space. There's not a lot of new tech that's coming out. Unfortunately, a lot of stuff is kind of stale across the board. They talk about it. They talk about the AI. They talk about all these things, but like for it to actually come out is a big step. And so again, having this actually come out here, we're starting to, you can download it, you can mess around with it. Like that's the cool thing, is that this is actually here for the first time, having this hybrid wallet. And again, you can go compare it to these things, right? Go compare it to Ledger. Is an offline transaction possible with Ledger? No, none of these are possible with offline, but it's possible with Pure Wallet. And it says minimum access required, private key plus user device. You got private key. It says hot wallet not need, or it's basically said any add-ons required, and it just says hot wallet not needed, so you don't need actually any add-ons. Pay to fee for gas fee. Pure Wallet has no gas fee once it's on there. And then the price of these, right? You go down, some of the prices of these are pretty expensive, but it's $39.99, $39.95. So yeah, there's just a lot of comparisons that are pretty good about this stuff. So, but to each our own on it. You know what I mean? It's still up and coming technology. It's new to this space, but it's kind of cool. And the part that I like about it is that with this PWT token, with the Pure Wallet token, there's going to be anywhere from $5 to $10 every time a cold storage is purchased. So anytime someone buys a cold storage for $39.95, $5 to $10 of that's going to go buy the Pure Wallet token at face value and continue to build the floor. So every time someone buys one of these, $5 to $10 goes to there. And I mean, you can do the math, right? If you get thousands of these downloaded over the course of a certain period of time, there's money going and buying up the Pure Wallet token every single time. So that's kind of badass too, because it's going to continually buy and build up that floor. Which again, no other token is doing that. No other wallet out there that has a token is doing that. Trust Wallet token's not doing that. Pure Wallet token's not doing that. Best Wallet's not doing that. There's a lot of these wallets out there that do it. Do you ever use Trust Wallet? No, I don't ever use Trust Wallet. I don't like it. It's too clunky for me. Iowa Trapper, dude, thanks for taking the time truly to explain everything. It really helps beginners like me. Yeah, dude, I'm with you, man. Trust me, it's hard in this space to find people that could break these things down. I had to learn on my own, right? I had to really do some deep diving. You know what I mean? Yeah, Crypto King. So what happens is, for an offline transaction to happen, dude, this is why it's super cool. So everyone listen closely here. And this is why the technology is badass. Okay. Because no one in this space has been able to remove a token from the blockchain into an offline setting until this wallet came out and they built the Pure chain. So this is a blockchain. This wallet's built with a smart contract and a blockchain inside of it. And it's an offline blockchain. Okay. It's the first offline blockchain that there has been. No one's been able to do this. This is the first time. So what happens is that when you send ETH to the Pure wallet, it goes in as ETH. When you send it to the offline wallet, what happens is they take that ETH, it goes onto the Pure chain offline, the offline Pure chain, and it literally gets taken off of the Ethereum blockchain onto the Pure chain, and it gets wrapped in a token on the Pure chain in an offline setting. And so that ETH still holds its value. That 1-for-1 ETH, right, still holds the value, now wrapped in an offline token. And so it gets removed from the Ethereum blockchain into an offline setting. Okay. And it sits there and it can't be touched until you touch it. And then you can move it across this offline blockchain, and it's untrackable. It's free. It's super fast. You don't pay any gas fees on it. So you can go put $1 million worth of Bitcoin. You can go put 1,000 Bitcoins in an offline setting, and you'll be able to move it across the blockchain with no gas fees, with instant transactions. I mean, the speed is super fast. Like when I say send and you say accept, you're going to get the transaction like that fast, even if you live in freaking BFE, dude. And so it gets put into an offline setting, and you can move it across offline. And then you can't track it. No one can actually follow where it goes. It's just like taking cash out of a bank. You know, once you take the cash out of the bank has no idea where that went. They can't track where you spent that dollar. You know, they can't track that you spent that cash on a car, or that you spent that cash on groceries. They have no idea. So same thing here is that you're taking the token off of the blockchain, putting it into the pure chain blockchain, which is basically behind a wall, and no one can actually see where it's going. And then you can move it free, like it says right here, unlimited times, transaction speed super fast. There's no gas fees, and it's that's the kind of the stuff that's badass. No one has an offline wallet, dude. No one has an offline wallet. ETH, man, we all want to move it, but it's just, yeah. So if you move ETH into an offline setting, and you move it across the pure chain, or across the pure wallet's blockchain in the wallet, you can't track it, dude. You can't track it, and it moves super fast. You don't pay any gas fees. Yeah, you just learned something. Yeah, it's pretty badass, dude. Like I said, this technology is not out here, so people are going to question it. Don't get me wrong. People are going to question the hell out of this thing, because it's something that's completely new, and it's never been in this space before. That's why I got so excited about it years ago. 2 years ago when this thing came out, I was super excited about it. You can ask everyone here on the A team. I was super entrenched in this thing, almost up to my neck in it. And, some things went a little bit sideways with the previous people, but NS Labs took it back. And I'm so thankful that they took it back, and now they're launching it themselves, because it just makes it so much better. And now that the company that actually built it is the company that's now launching it. So that's badass. Why would you not want that? And they have the rights to it now, and are going to continue to put this out there. So I'm like, now you got this giant lab behind it out of South Korea called NS Labs. You guys can look up NS Labs anytime you want. It's right there out of KIT, which is the Kumo Institute of Technology. And yeah, it's badass, dude. Like I can't wait for it to actually come out and really try to make a dent in this space. Can't figure out how much HBAR off the exchange on my ledger. What would you move? Would you move it on to Pure? Yeah, they're going to actually be dropping Maximilian. They're going to be dropping HBAR is going to be coming soon to Pure Wallet. So you're going to be able to put Hedera, which you can see right here. This is coming soon to the Pure Wallet. So you'll be able to move this into an offline setting, and you'll be able to move it into the cold storage here very, very soon. So I'm kind of excited about that too. It's called the Pure Wallet. Yeah, that's what we're talking about, Kevin. And again, the token right here, the token right here is going to help run the wallet. So again, if you're into decentralization, like, if you're a decentralized maxi, someone who like really likes decentralization, like I love decentralization. So like the things that it offers here, I like this is not going to be for everyone here. Like this is not like this Pure Wallet token is not going to be for everyone, because not everyone likes the kind of stuff that it offers, right? So again, having the Pure Wallet token allows, by owning it, you can actually get free airdrops with new projects that launch on there, and also the Pure Chain coin that is eventually going to drop here, which again, Pure Chain is attached to the Pure Wallet, and there's going to be a blockchain that comes out here, hopefully in 2025. I don't know exactly when, but that will be on there as well. You'll also be able to do smart mining. So as you guys know, the Pure Chain is going to be a mineable. It's going to be a smart mining blockchain that you can actually mine through your phone. The Pure Wallet will actually be the interface for the mining capabilities through the Pure series, which is a big portion of the blockchain that we're talking about here. So owning the token is going to allow you to have access to be able to do the mining on there, which I think is going to be incredible. That's what we've all been waiting for. And then obviously reduce fees. So, less transaction fees if you're using the wallet, not paying less gas fees and things like that. And then you have the offline wallet insurance. So basically, if this goes into an offline setting, so it's different from your cold storage. So you have your cold storage, which is completely different than offline. Your cold storage, no one is going to have the seed phrase. No one's going to have anything attached to that. But you have an offline wallet that's like cash. And so if you lose your phone, anything that's in that offline wallet can get lost as well. But there is an insurance thing here. So if you hold the token, you can actually have insurance on that, whatever's in that thing, and that money can actually then be recovered by holding the token. So it helps out with that kind of stuff. And then again, they do staking. Again, I'm not the biggest person with staking, but I mean, they are going to be doing staking. And then the governance thing, which I like, right? Being able to be a part of a community of people who want to see the project grow, want to be able to vote on key decisions and help govern, from a decentralized side, help govern the growth of a project, right? Make decisions like what should go on there, what tokens should be on there, what things should be done to make it better, what things should be taken away, what's hurting the community, what's building, so like those are the governance things that I like. I like to be involved in that kind of stuff with projects. So that just opens the door for that. And the more tokens you hold, the bigger voice you have when it comes to the governance side of it. So anyone that's been a part of a DAO knows that the more tokens you hold, the more voice you'll have when it comes to decision making, because you'll have more of a stronghold on the token. So that's kind of the big part of it, dude. Austin Strong, yeah, I'm with you, Seiko, dude. I'm with you, Seiko. 100% with you, dude. Trust me. Did you work on the wall? Yes, I did. I went over to South Korea for 60 days, 60 plus days over there, and worked with the team pretty much every single day, dude. Even on the weekends. Lived on the actual on campus in South Korea, in Gumi, South Korea. And even being away from the family was tough, dude, for 60 days. But I went over there. Fan was super incredible, supporting me through it, and went out there and helped build the interface with it. Help make key decisions on, things that should be in there. And I'm super excited. That's why I think one thing I'm just excited about the technology side. Like, forget everything else, dude. Like, even the token's cool. Don't get me wrong. Like, it's awesome to have all this stuff, but like, I'm excited for the technology. Like, that's what gets me excited about this, is that like, this is something new, something the space has never had. And to basically say, hey, I've been able to put my fingerprints on it and help this project grow in terms of like just the wallet itself is the most exciting part for me. So it's kind of like, I'm just super happy about it. Virgil, dude, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very much, man. Really, really appreciate it, dude. Thank you, and welcome, my friend. Yeah, crypto's huge, dude. Nick, I'm gonna be honest with you. Crypto is ginormous, dude. It's so great. By the big watch dude gonna disown Austin if it happens again. He's gonna have to live with you guys. I know. What's up, GS? Good to see you, man. And then you can access your funds anywhere in the world as long as you have your phone and send it offline and without being traceable. Yep, 100%. That's exactly it. So, you think of Tornado Cash, right? We just talked about this, right? So these guys right here, they can actually, so as you guys know, Tornado Cash is a giant place where people can go. And this actually got sanctioned here in the United States. No one could actually use Tornado Cash in the United States here, because what happened was people were using this as, like I said, laundered through Tornado Cash. So people were using it because you can't track. Once it goes through Tornado Cash, it goes through a scrambler, and no one can actually follow so if I put $1,000 through Tornado Cash, you have no idea where it comes out on the other side. And so that actually became that you can't use Tornado Cash here in America anymore. You can use it in other parts of the world, but you can't use it in America anymore. Just because of that same thing. So no different than right now with, but this actually, the Third Circuit Court actually just lifted the sanctions on Tornado Cash and said that what they were doing didn't actually break any rules. And so they actually came out and they're unsanctioning Tornado Cash. So it'll be interesting to sort of see what happens here in the future, because Tornado Cash could come back online here in the United States, because people can actually move their money through it if they chose to. Well, with Pure Wallet here, you're still going to get charged fees moving your money through Coinbase. With Pure Wallet, you're not going to pay any fees moving it offline. So again, very similar to Tornado Cash, they put it in a scrambler, like I said here, but with here, it actually goes onto a blockchain behind a wall, and people can't see it that way. So and people say, well, what about the authorities? Well, the thing is, it goes on a blockchain behind it, and so Pure Wallet can actually, or Pure Chain can actually see it on their side, just like centralized exchanges can see it on their side. But again, it's behind a wall. No one else can see it except Pure Chain. And so if authorities came and asked, like, where did that transaction go, you could probably show them. But I mean, that's very rare if that happens. But I mean, that could be done. I'm going to MicroStrategies on Pure Wallet, buying wherever. I have actually. Oh, dude, that's awesome. I thought I did the pre-sale Pure Wallet token correctly. I forgot it to account for the gas at the time. I did. It just keeps processing and then says transaction failed. Yeah, you got to account for the gas big time. Oh, is XRP going? Oh, damn, dude. Let's take a look at that real quick. I just got someone told me to shut the hell up. So let's take a look at XRP. Is XRP going there? XRP is booming right now. Is it booming? Yeah, 313. Damn, guys. That's what I'm talking about, dude. Oh man, everything is going up right now. Even XLM now is coming up slightly. We got HBAR coming up to the 32 marker now. HBAR is making a move. Heck yeah, dude. Okay, let's go to the 4-hour chart. Yeah, that's what I want to see right there. XRP is looking good. 314 now. David, thanks so much for becoming a member. Appreciate you becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, my friend. Thank you so much, dude. Anytime you mention a buy on XLM, I went in heavy just to say appreciate you, my guy. Damn, did you really, D5? Respect. Appreciate that, man. Has Austin ever given a prediction for Link? I don't know if I have. That's a good question. I just hope it gets to its all-time high, dude. From where I bought it at $18, I hope it gets to its all-time high. I mean, I'd literally, 100, go up 100% on my investment on that one. What are you talking about, Real Patriot? I might have missed what you said there. I don't know what you said. Something about old member. Finally got some Pure Wallet token using Tangem. Couldn't get it done with Coinbase. Coinbase Wallet's rough, Papa Don. I was trying to help someone with the Coinbase thing and showing them how to use it, and I realized that it like proved to me why I hate Coinbase Wallet. Coinbase Wallet used to be actually a really easy wallet to use, and they made all these upgrades to it, and they actually made it super hard to use now. So, are you Real Patriot? What are you asking again? I might have missed your comment, dude. Austin was in South Korea without fan, and he didn't forget about the. You're wild, dude. You're wild, dude. Very good show. You really helped me with the apps, Hot Wallet and Cold Wallet. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, Michael, anytime, man. Breakout's coming. I hope so, bro. Martin, dude, that late night stream today. Did you find the pin? I did not find the pin, Martin. So I'm kind of bummed out about it. I'm going to be honest with you. That's awesome. Let's see. That's awesome. You have to part of the community pushing the crypto revolution forward and teach people as well. Nobody does it better. Oh, I appreciate you, Rita Burrito. Yeah, again, I want to say, the Pure Wallet token, it's like any other crypto project, dude. It's just like anything else there. It'll have its ups, it'll have its downs. It will go through the course of any other crypto project, right? It's going to go through building phases. It's going to go through accumulation phases. It's going to do a lot of things. And so, I just want people to be aware that anytime you invest in these projects, they are risky regardless, right? The biggest reason that excites me about the Pure Wallet token, or just the Pure Wallet, is that it's technology that I worked on. It's technology that's new to the space, and the Pure Wallet itself is the biggest reason why I that's what excites me the most, is the Pure Wallet itself. So I just want people to realize that, again, always invest at your own risk, knowing that you just never know what can happen. So I want to make that very clear out there. It is exciting to get into pre-sales, it's exciting to get into cryptos, but you always got to be assume that there's still risk involved. You know what I mean? It's like no different than going and buying, what is it, XCN, or going and buying Trump token or any of those kind of things, right? There's risk involved, and just realize that, please. And if anything goes sideways, I just hope you guys do not come back to me and hate me for it because of whatever reason it was. Again, I have no control over what happens. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just a person talking about it and excited for it, just like you guys. Everything else, again, it's up to the, there's a whole development team behind it that they're working for. So I just want you guys to be aware of that. Holy shit, XRP is jumping. Yeah, this thing is going up pretty fast, dude. I want to see HBAR get to third. Dude, HBAR is ripping right now. HBAR is ripping, dude. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. XLM going up, filling up this fair value gap. You got anyway, someone can make a true video for Discord. I just saw that. Shut up and look at XRP. Sorry, dude. Sorry. Dashburn, thanks so much for the 199 CF on X is spreading major like XRP FUD. I don't even know who that is. Who is that guy? Is that guy that I think I might have actually see the one that was talking crap to Garland House? Thanks so much for the $2. I doesn't always listen to I did today. Yeah, sorry, dude. Sell the news tomorrow. We'll see, dude. What happens when there's no resistance left and it keeps going crazy? Then that means you have that's called a rocket ship, dude. Yeah, dude. XRP. Look at that, dude. XRP is so awesome. I freaking love XRP. XRP is amazing, dude, just because of all the stuff it does. Yeah, yeah, Real Patriot. Yeah, it was a basically you trust people and you like I said, you might have heard me talk about this, but I am a pretty I feel like I'm a pretty open and nice guy. Maybe almost too nice to some extent. And through the time, you try to be nice. Sometimes you get taken advantage of. I'll admit. And I was blinded by the technology, and I feel like I got taken advantage of. I won't get into it, but I mean, yeah, I do feel like we did get left. I did feel like I got left a little dirty on that one for sure. And but I said, like I said, I mean, he's no longer associated with it. It's back to NS Labs, and I could give a shit less now. That's in the rearview mirror. We're on to the where I'm looking forward to the future, and I'm not going to look back at what happened with that. But yeah, it wasn't good. You know what I mean? Austin, what indicators are the lines following the candles? You talking these ones right here, Jesse? These are your volume indicators right here. Is that what you're talking about, or are you talking about the fib? There's a lot of lines. There's a lot of lines, dude. We are here for the ride. Hell yeah, dude. Austin, are you married to Fan? Yes, Fan is my wife. Yeah, we've been married almost going on. This will be our 15 years. 15 years this 15 years this May. That's crazy. What do you think about the EC? What are you talking about, Chadwick? Trying to present my way around Phantom. Oh, are you in Phantom right now? Yeah, let's see where let's actually take a look at the ouch. Let's take a look at dominance chart right here. Dude, this is crazy because XRP is pumping. Well, I guess you could say that Bitcoin dominance is going down right now. You can see right here it's going down. But even when XRP, when it was doing good, XRP actually held pretty strong. So it's good to see Bitcoin dominance is going down, which is causing this to come up right now. So that's awesome to see. H bar is about to hit 32, dude. H bar is about to hit 32. Let's see here. Dude. Yeah, buddy. When ETH pushes out, the slump is going to get wild. Yeah, I agree. Did they give you tokens to work on the project, or was it the old fiat stuff? Yeah, I didn't take anything. No, they didn't give me anything, dude. I didn't get paid at all to work on the project. I did it all out of my I paid for everything out of my own pocket. Go over to Korea and everything. I paid for everything on myself. I wasn't going to have the project pay for any of it. So I paid everything out. I mean, they housed me. That was nice, right? They housed me for free in the dorm room. Is there a Pure Wallet setup video? I could put something out there, Ian, if you want me to. I could do it for you. Thoughts on XCC getting office space? I take the back. Yes, Fan just reminded me. The first trip out there, the project did, because I wanted the project did take me out there for the very first trip I went out there, to actually meet Dr. Kim, see the actual university, and so they did pay for that the very first time. But then when I went out there 2 more times. I went out there for a big convention, and that I paid for that out of pocket. And then when I went out there and was out there working for 60 days, that was all out of pocket. But yeah, no, I did everything out of on my own. That's my biggest fear. Hog, you killing me, dude. You're like, hi, awesome, Austin. I know you, you asshole. Yeah, I'm just kidding, dude. That's funny. Yeah, it was cool to meet you, man. Honestly, I hope to meet a lot more of you guys in public, dude. It was super cool to meet Hogzilla and his wife and his kid, dude. Yeah, kudos to you guys, man. Beautiful family. I heard today that XTC was setting up a camp in the U.S. Oh, really? Yeah, what Fan said right there, 100%. So my Pure Wallet tokens will show up in SafePal when the airdrop comes. Yes, XRP Maniac, yes. So so you'll be able to. So right now, if you want to, you can just go back to the website, put in your wallet, and you'll see the tokens there. And then when the project launches, they'll actually airdrop for free into your wallet. So you'll just show up in your wallet. So what you'll do And I'll show you guys. You'll basically be able to take a contract address, put it into your wallet, and then you'll actually show up in your wallet. SafePal actually does a good job of showing tokens in your wallet pretty quickly. We were talking in Discord, and an easy way to explain transferring from exchange to wallet. Yeah, it's what you got to do is you just go here, and you just say let's just say that you want to sell or you want to move it. So let's just go to my assets here. Let's just take Bitcoin. What you'll do is you'll click on it where it says send crypto. You're gonna say send crypto, and I have to verify this account. But what you'll do is you'll go in here and you'll paste. It'll have a little place where you'll paste your wallet, and so then you'll go over and you'll copy your like this wallet right here. You'll copy this address right here, and then you'll go back to your exchange and you'll paste it in the exchange, and then hit send, and then it will send the crypto to that wallet. It's really easy to do. When you piss him off, he's got the best vocabulary for you. Yeah, I were you here, Seiko, with the Dave thing today? The Dave thing this morning was pretty fun. I haven't had that much fun in a while. Sometimes you're too nice. Yeah, I try to, I am nice. People do mistake my kindness for weakness for sure. That is for sure. I am a people pleaser. I do like to make sure people are taken care of for sure. Dog, how am I just learning you're married to fan? No, she doesn't. Price discovery, that's funny. D5, you killing me, bro. Brandon, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Can we see the H bar at 29 again? Yeah. Oh man, I hope not. I'll have to sell my position right now. 32. We're going up to 32. XLM's going up to 41. XRP is going up to 313. So yeah, we're hitting a nice little stream, a nice little run right now. That's nice. C Muglodon, thoughts on OXT Orchard? I have no idea what that is, bro. What is that? Is that like a meme coin thing, dude? Thanks so much for the $5. And Brandon, thanks so much for the $2 too on this as well. Thank you guys. I have no idea what this is, bro. Thanks so much for super chat though. I really don't know what it is. Crypto King, yeah. That's true. That is true. I'll give you that. People that are kind, right? They do have probably that little thing beside them. So how high do you think H bar will go this round? I'm hoping like $2 would be really nice. Oh, really, Real Patriot? Well, congrats, man. 15 years married in June, dude. That's awesome, bro. Yeah, congrats to you guys. He actually mean to me, but nice to everyone else. So you guys are in the clear. A pure wallet setup video would be so helpful. Yeah, dude, we could do something like that. I could probably put something in the I guess I could do it for multiple wallets if you'd like. Tangent 2.0, very solid and easy. Yeah, fan's amazing. Code Core, what's up, buddy? XXI's in the house here. What's the hype around H bar? Oh, just their hash graph, dude. I mean, when it comes to person to person transactions, I mean, I think that they're going to do really well. I think this. I know that February is a really good month for crypto. So I'm just going to continue to ride. I'm going to ride this February out. I think that's kind of what I'm going to do. I'm going to hold for February, and then probably sell somewhere in March. That's kind of my goal right now. Black Buddha, yeah. That's why I put out that thing today saying how they're going to be crying today. Cool. I think I picked up on that during the month I've been here. Congrats on the 15 years, my friend. I got a double 31 years. Oh man, basically still saying, dude, that's awesome, Tony. Congrats to you. 31 years, bro. That's rare, man. So kudos to you, dude. Kudos to you, dude. That's awesome. Yeah, it is, Darren. It is good for ETH, it's good for Bitcoin. Any of these things that cost a lot of money to transfer and move around, they're really, really good for. Honestly, I'm very confused what you guys are talking about, such as wallets, ledgers, etc. Hey, Jen, you are a member of the A team now. So what you should do is go connect your YouTube to Discord and come over into the Discord, and we'll be able to help you out in there. What do you mean? What do you mean a one-time payment? is the Pure Wallet one-time payment? Like you mean like buying? Oh, like you're saying like for the launch? Yeah, yeah. This will go on. So right now you can see that right now there's 12 hours, 5 minutes, and 19 seconds left to get the Pure Wallet token at 4 cents right here. So this will move up for getting one Pure Wallet token will equal. We'll just say the next. I don't know what the next one's going to be. We'll just say it's going to be 5 cents. So now you'll get it at 5 cents here when this 12 hours expires, and so this will continue to grow up, grow over the next weeks or however long they want to do it, and it'll continue to grow in price. So the cheaper, obviously, like right now, it's the cheapest you're going to be able to get the Pure Wallet token on the pre-sale. So that's kind of what it is. Well, SafePal has been around. So Vicente, Pure Wallet is brand new, right? SafePal has been around for a really long time. I mean, they've been around for four or 5 years now. They've had a really good opportunity to grow in the space. Like I said, though, differences with SafePal and Pure Wallet is that SafePal, you can't do offline transactions. You can't actually store your tokens in the cold storage on SafePal. So SafePal is purely a hot wallet, where a Pure Wallet is. So SafePal is that. Pure Wallet is a hybrid wallet. To where you can actually have cold, offline, and hot wallet. So, I mean, in the long term, I think once Pure Wallet gets out there and people start to use it and it starts to develop and get better throughout the coming weeks and months and things like that, because eventually it's going to get better and better. They all do. When you had SafePal 3 years ago is not the SafePal that it was today. SafePal 3 years ago was okay. It wasn't great. The only reason I used SafePal 3 years ago was because it was the only place that I could actually swap ETH to BNB. There was no other place you could do it. It was impossible. And Binance.us if you wanted to do one on an exchange. So that's why I moved to SafePal. And then throughout the years, SafePal just got better and better and better with the dApps and everything like that. So things will get better through time. And so I do think that Pure Wallet, being that it's an offline, it's a cold storage, and it's a hot wallet, I think once it gets out there and gets adopted and people start to use it, I think it has a good shot at competing, and if not being better than SafePal, just because of the capabilities that it has, that SafePal and a lot of these other wallets will never have, because it's patented technology too. Got to realize it's patented technology, and that's why no one has it, because they haven't been able to create it. So let's go back to, yeah, it's starting to come down just slightly right now, just slightly, but it's okay. Let's get this. Sometimes I hate when I leave that on there. XRP community day tomorrow is going to be huge. Yeah, I'm excited. I'll be on tomorrow. Dave was gifted 278 memberships. 808. I love it, dude. That's awesome. That's so funny. It's so funny this morning. But yeah, I'll probably come on tomorrow. You guys want me to come on tomorrow? I forgot. I don't know if I saw who said. Do you want me to come on tomorrow for this? It'll be at 7 a.m. I can come on and we can hang out for the day on there. Let's go XRP. Heck yeah, dude. Come on, bro. Tell us about what XRP does. Well, I mean, dude, it does a lot of things. Yeah, that's probably cool. Is that outside Bitcoin, Real Patriot? Nothing wrong with that, man. It has gotten you here with such respect. I appreciate that a ton, Colonel. I might be wrong, but I think XRP is making the next leg up currently with the 2 to 3 days. Yeah. Married to the same one, 58 years. Damn, Ultra MAGA. That's awesome, bro. 58 years. Hogzilla. Lives are already changed. That's great, dude. Can someone give me a membership? You're funny, dude. John, dude, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Help order Coinbase to Tangem to Pure Wallet. So Coinbase to Tangem. Yeah. So what you'll do then for Tangem, you'll just go over here to the Pure Wallet. You'll connect, go to where it says all wallets, and then up here where it says search, you're going to put Tangem, and then you'll connect your Tangem wallet. Boom, hit your Tangem. You're going to have to scan your phone on here or do whatever you need to do. And then once your Tangem gets connected, it's going to show connected like this over here. I'll just do the MetaMask again, just so you can see. And then you'll be able to sort of see you'll see your address down here. Make sure there's ETH in there. And again, you don't want to hit max. You want to make sure that, again, whatever it is in there, you leave enough room for gas fees, John. So that's how it's done. So got that? Just bought some Safe Moon. Tony. Damn, XRP is ready to blow up 100%, dude. How to create a wallet? Just go to like SafePal, safepal.com. Like I said, just go to safepal.com and download the wallet, dude, or just go SafePal on Apple Store or something like that. Yeah, Jen, no problem. Yeah, I'm happy you became a member, dude, or got gifted a membership. Over time, we'll see how great the Pure Wallet will be based off the tech. Yeah, that's what it comes down to, right? I mean, it's all growing, and it's something completely new. So what's up? What's up, XXI? Good to see you, buddy. Was there a bunch of Daves or something? There was just one Dave that came in all hot and angry. Hey, Austin, any chance you can go over the XRP depth chart? Yeah, we can do that real quick for you. So again, you can go right here to SafePal and like click the download the app if you wanted to. Let's actually go look at. Yeah, depth chart's looking pretty good. Look at that wall, damn. Yeah, there's a good wall here at 308 again. And you got another one. Look at that at 289, 290, and 285. Good wall here at 250. 250 is huge. 250 has like almost $4 million right here at 250. So yeah, that's pretty crazy. Yes, XRP holiday. Yes, yes. What time would you come on? It'd be 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time if I did. 7 a.m., 7 p.m., 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Dude, that would be hard. The case is over. Yeah, 100%. I think so too. April 7th will be over. That's my bet. Why do they do an event so early? I'm with you, Rito. Why so early? I'd rather you go to soccer practice. I love you too, man. I love you too, James. No, yeah, we had a salty Dave in the house here. We had a really salty Dave in the house. So the new hour just started, and we're starting to have a nice little uptick here. We are going to probably hit some resistance here at the 312. You can see a lot of volume right here, so we could hit this. This will be a resistance right here at 312. So be hard to get over this line. Well, if we do, that's going to be really positive, right? To get past this and build up. Which you can see, we played this line a lot. Like this is exactly what's going to happen. We might get rejected here, so we'll have to continue to monitor if we can get above it. We got rejected once right here and came back down below it, and we'll see if we can bust through it. We're busting through it right now. You can see that we're coming. We are busting through it. So, so I just want to how and can I do what I do on Robinhood on this? I have XRP on Robinhood. Can I transfer it over to SafePal? How does that work? I think SafePal does actually accept Ripple. Let me look actually. And before you send anything, you want to actually send some. You want to send some small amounts of do some tests. Send over some test stuff to it, before you do it, just to make sure. But I want to say that SafePal actually does have Ripple in there. Last I checked, I actually think that's where I converted my my BNB Ripple. Let's see, manage tokens. Looks like XRP is on here. Maybe it's not. Yeah, maybe there is no XRP on here. Yeah, you probably won't be able to send your XRP over here. I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think you're gonna be able to send your XRP over here. Yeah, so XRP couldn't come over to SafePal. You'd have to do it'd be like ETH or something like that. You'd be best BNB stuff like that. James, what's going on, man? Good morning to you too, dude. What time is Ripple starting the event? It's gonna be 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Tony. Austin, how about some background music in the background? I'd get demonetized if I did that, dude. I would, but I'd get kicked and the YouTube would have a heyday with me. The news event for Ripple is right here. Where is it at? It's called XRP Community Day. Starts at 10 a.m. Eastern. Gina, I think it's Gina Ninja. Please, can you live stream the pump tomorrow? Yeah, we could do it. We could live stream this tomorrow. I'll do it. I'll come on early. There'll probably be a lot of people that will be live streaming it. But yeah, we're sitting here nice. It's starting to hill. It's starting to bounce back around this. We'll see what H bars. Where are they at? Let's see here. We got to get back up to this 32.8. Yeah, right here. You can see that line just came in. 33 is where we're going to hit resistance. So that will be a nice little return if we get up to 33. That'd be roughly about a almost a 13% return. That would be nice, dude. Seiko 100K subscribers soon. Appreciate you, Seiko. Yeah, 100K subscribers would be awesome, dude. I don't even know how close we are. Where are we at? I mean, we just broke 83,119. So yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there for sure. My 500 safe boon is now $10. Oh my gosh, that hurts my stomach, dude. Hurts my. He came in all hot, all angry, like right off the gate, and I was like, "Gosh, dang, dude! Like, can you allow me to like at least wake up?" How to buy pre-sale? You got to create a wallet, Sharon. So you got to create a go create a SafePal wallet, go download it, and then what you're going to do is you're going to send Ethereum over to this wallet. Sharon, you are a member of the A team. If you want to come over to the Discord, when I get off this live stream, I'll go over to Discord, and because a lot of people are wanting some help, so I'll go over there and I'll actually probably help a lot of people out over there after the live stream tonight. So if you want to go over and join the Discord, please do so. All you got to do is just connect your YouTube. Since you are a member, you'll be able to connect your Discord over there. So just go. I don't know why this is doing this. Here, hold on a second. You'll be able to go over, connect your YouTube to Discord. There we go. That's what I wanted. You'll just have to go up here, and you'll go up to your settings on here. You'll open up a Discord. So go up to my little Discord thing. You'll have to probably sign up, create a Discord, and then you'll go over here and you'll integrate your Discord. So you'll say server settings, integration, and then you'll connect your YouTube, and then you'll be able to go back to my Discord right here. And then you'll go through and you'll say accept the rules right here. So make sure you accept those rules, and then you'll choose which ones you want to get into. So that if anyone that has a membership can definitely come over there and jump in. My coker was like, "What the hell are you listening to?" The Dave debacle. That's awesome, dude. Is the chart only available on Coinbase Pro? No. You can get this chart on TradingView, dude. This is where we do a lot of our charting is on TradingView. Curious, did you find your daughter's pin this morning? I did not, dude. Super disappointed. I went out there, spent like 40 minutes walking the field, walking the area. I think someone went out there and played after us, and so I think that maybe someone picked it up. I don't know. Yeah, but we didn't find it, so I was kind of bummed out about it. But it's okay. We're gonna take all. She has all her pins from her tournaments and stuff on there. So I just told her we just got to take them off. There's no reason to lose them. So yeah, unfortunately we didn't. So Mashburn, thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team. If Mashburn gifted you a membership, please say thank you. And those 5 new members, welcome to the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much, and welcome. Yeah, 5 memberships coming in hot, dude. You can send XRP from Robinhood, but I don't know if you can send it to SafePal though. You can send it from there, but I don't know if SafePal will accept it. I don't think they're a wallet that accepts it. Hunter, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Thoughts on TARS drops on Uphold in 2 days? I have no idea what it is, bro. Thanks so much for the $2, but I think that I have any idea what that is. Yeah, you can send the XRP over here, my guy. Stream froze. Yeah, I saw that for a second. It did freeze. Huge question. When is the Pure Wallet released? What chain is the token going to be on? ETH, because as soon as these tokens, I want to move to cold storage. Thanks for your fellow Northman. What's up, Aiden? How you doing, man? I think it's going to be. They were debating. I have to talk to the team. I have no idea, dude. Hopefully the team, will come out and discuss what it is. But hopefully it's a cheaper blockchain. I mean, shoot, they could launch on the XRPL. I don't know. Which would be, it'd be under XRP versus under Ethereum if they chose to go that route. They'd have a huge community behind them, that's for sure. Yeah, but then again, it also creates it where it makes it harder for people to buy it. But again, if they create an avenue for it, that could be a way. So who knows? You know what I mean? They haven't came out and said exactly where they're going to launch it. The good thing is that the smart contract can be adapted to any blockchain. They're super easy to do that. So, and then. Yeah, you want to store it. Yeah, so I get what you're saying. I heard they have a really, really good news to share. That'll be awesome. Well, like right now, I think Hot Wallet is definitely a safe pal. So, oh, that's interesting. It's Summers is you got an air, bro. Um, yeah, I'll send you a link, bro. I'll send you a link, dude. You should use the different platforms when making purchases or stick to one. You can do whatever you want. Can you go over how to join and link my Discord? Dimitri, you got to be number one. You got to be a member first. So you got to become a membership, have a membership, and then after you have a membership, you can then join the Discord. So since right now you don't have a membership, it's kind of hard for you to join the Discord. But yeah, after you become a member, then you would go through and you would actually integrate. You would go up here, create an account, go up here to server settings, go to integration right here. So you go to integrations, and then you can attach your YouTube. And then once you attach your YouTube, you can go back over and try to enter in through accepting the rules and stuff like that. So schedule is started with Austin on the crypto and the AM, followed up by fans' favorite recipes. Nicholas, dude, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you so much, and welcome, my friend. Good afternoon. What's up, Corey? Good to see you, Corey. Click the fellas. Click the like button. Yeah, appreciate that. No, that was the first time I saw him, Rito, and so I was kind of having fun with him. He probably left, but I was still having fun with him. Kevin, thanks so much for gifting one membership to the A team. If Kevin gifted you that membership, please say thank you to Kevin and that one person. Thank you so much for now being a part of the A team. You're officially now part of the channel. Thank you so much. Green Apples, thanks so much for the donation. What's the highest, lowest you see XRP today? Well, the lowest we saw today was roughly around what? Let's go back to XRP. The lowest we saw today was, this is not even 24 hours ago. We dipped down all the way to 265, and now we're hovering around the 312 marker. So I mean, this thing is up like, oopsies. That's weird. That's kind of weird. Let me there we go. Gosh, dude, what the heck was going on right there? That was weird as hell. That's almost up almost 17%, dude. Gosh dang. What a killer play right there. Make a meme call and call it patience. Then everyone that gets some instant society is out of control. A patience token. Jesse G, I bought Pure Wallet token through Trust Wallet and it's not showing. I'm trying to add a token and it requires a field called decimal. So it's not going to show on the Trust. It's not going to show on the Trust Wallet until they actually launch the token, Jesse. So you'll have to go back to the website right here, attach your wallet, and you'll see the tokens in the balance right here. And until they launch it, then the tokens will show up in the wallet. Does that make sense? That's how it always is. Even if you bought it on like Pink Sale or Pulo or any of these other sites that allow these kind of things, same exact thing. You're not going to see it in your wallet until it launches. That's not true. D5 that was debunked. Just to let you know about the Ledger guy. It's good. Yeah, it supports XRP right now. Yep, you can actually store XRP and it's in the cold storage, and you can move XRP offline. And so yeah, you can go. I think all the ones that are here, the only one they're going to release here shortly is going to be Hedera, but these are the ones that are backed right now. So there you go. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Doug, thanks so much for gifting one membership to the A team. If Doug gifted you that one membership, please say thank you. And that one person, welcome to the A team, officially part of the A team, and I appreciate the heck out of that, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, yeah, Ledger is probably the best thing to use. Always send a small amount first to test. Yeah, 100% Eric. Yeah, definitely reminding you guys, whenever you send to a hot wallet or things like that, please send small amounts first before sending the whole thing, just so you can double verify what's going on. I love catching it live and seeing all my dudes. Love that. What's up? It's good to see you, Corey. Appreciate you being here, man. Don't be nervous. Just patience. Get into a cold wallet. Burrito. I love you guys all, man. Honestly, always starting small. If you're buying a new token, start small and try to sell it before you go heavy. Yeah, that's true. Hey, dude, do you think that the Phoenix meme coin on XRPL? I mean, I own it. Still have it. It's done well. So, there's that. There's a meme coin called Page. You got it. Oh my gosh, dude. Hedera is based in Texas. Okay, shit, I didn't know that. Love me the tangent ring. Okay. America will not fold. Hold your bags. Let's effing go. Yeah, Sean, let's go, dude. What do you guys think about the economic ninja on crypto? I don't know anything about him. I just know people are. He's made some good calls. How do you like XLM? Oh, I love XLM, dude. XLM's been doing well for me. It's still doing well right now. So look at that, dude. Look at that build up. Boom, boom, boom. It's looking really good on the 1 hour. 4 hours looking really good too. And same with H bar. H bar is looking really good too. So we'll continue to monitor those. But I'm pretty sure he's a fan of it. Yeah, I am, Jake. Yeah, 100%. Oh, BTC for sure, dude. BTC for sure. Even though I love my SHIB, but did you guys see that the creator of SHIB is stepping down? Did you guys see that the creator of SHIB is no longer going to run the project anymore? He's stepping aside. Shytoshi. Pretty crazy. Didn't expect that to happen today. Did you guys? I think someone said that he's retired, like he's stepping away from the project, something like that. I could be wrong. I thought I read something like that. So maybe I'm wrong, but I thought that's what I read earlier today. Oh, who are you talking about, Big Watch? The finger snap? Oh, you talking about the Economic Ninja? I've never paid for a membership anywhere but my gym. Oh, you got the gym membership going on. Austin, you're the only YouTube community I'm proud to pay to be a part of. It's been amazing. It feels like a family. Oh, dude, I appreciate that, Corey, a ton, man. Are you over in the Discord, bro? Are you over in the Discord, dude? Dude, that's awesome, man. I appreciate that a ton. You got me sold on Pure Wallet. I've always been iffy on cold wallets after seeing a guy on YouTube hacked a Tangent. Damn, bro. That's crazy. Did he actually really hack it? I mean, Litecoin and Algo are doing good, dude. If you bought the Algo dip, I did do a marker down here, which again, I said the buy zone was right here. It literally, look at that, 35, and it's up. This thing's actually doing really well too. So on stream the day before that, you're up 10% right now. So you're killing it with the Algo dip. Yeah, Litecoin, dude, you gotta love Litecoin. So the Pure Wallet can't be tracked by the government. It can't be tracked. They could request it. I think that there's, if like the government wanted to come in and like see where this money went, they probably, the Pure chain would probably help. I'm sure that the NS Labs would help. We'll go through the system and figure it out. But yeah, not to like the public. If people are making transactions on there, it's literally off the blockchain. So one thing that people hate in this space is getting their wallets tracked. Even like, Vitalik Buterin, everyone knows his wallet, and knows where his transactions go and follow all the transactions. But, with Pure Wallet, you could actually send it to a Pure Wallet, move it offline, and then move it onto another Pure Wallet on the other side. And it would you would never be able to see where that actually went after that. So yeah, to answer your question, yeah. Green Apple, thanks so much for the donation. Nowhere you see it today. By the way, I can't join Discord. You gotta link up your Discord to YouTube, your YouTube to Discord, the one that you got the membership on, to Discord, and then you gotta accept the rules. Once you accept the rules and click on the emojis, you'll be able to get in. I dislike the XLM project, but I will use it to make money. I didn't know you disliked it, Washer. I did not know you disliked it. I'm hoping $2, dude. That's kind of where I'm at. Jasmine got the boost last night and bought more HBAR. Oh, really? Oh, you got the boot. You booted it. Oh, bro, I didn't know that. I got in a chain link kind of late. Okay. Oh, you're saying Economic Ninja has been? Is that what you're telling me, Just Will? Or am I reading wrong on that? I don't like memes whatsoever. Yeah, memes can be a little tough. You know what I mean? XRP is an American coin. Yeah, 100%. Yep, it's an XRP. It's an American based. Oh, the SHIB creator. I was like, we're talking two different people here. Oh, so the SHIB creator is the one that's been. Gotcha. That's crazy, dude. That's a good point. I don't know. He kind of said that, right? I mean, that's kind of what he said a little bit, huh? When he posted out this tweet the other today, saying Some thought on maximalism lets me say this clearly. The crypto industry has a real shot here and now to achieve many goals. I own XRP, BTC, and Ethereum among a handful of others. We live in a multi-chain world, and I've advocated for a level playing field instead of one token versus another. Dude, this is a great statement here. If a government digitalized asset reserve is created, I believe it should be representative of the industry, not just one token, whether it be BTC, XRP, or anything else. Maximalism remains the enemy of crypto progress, and I'm very glad to see fewer and fewer folks subscribe or ascribe to this outdated and misinformed thinking. So yeah, I think a lot of us kind of agree with what he says there. Okay, that's good. I didn't. I was gonna say I don't think I saw you a ton in there. So no, you got to become a member. You got to actually purchase a membership. It's $1.99. It's the lowest I could go on a membership paywall to keep out, scammers and stuff like that. So yeah, it is. It's $1.99 a month, and you can get into the Discord, and it's a growing Discord, dude, and it's a great Discord. And again, I'm not just saying this because my Discord. It's actually pretty legit. Use the VPN. Shytoshi gone bullish. He's a flaky. Oh man, I didn't realize people don't like him, dude. That's kind of crazy. What is Seiko saying? Yeah, maybe. Oh yeah. Well, Seiko. I'm in Australia, so the time difference is a killer for joining the fun here in Discord. That's Australia. Yeah, that's a big one, dude. Oh yeah, who's taking ownership? I have no idea. The first time I ever done a membership ever on any platform. Thanks, Austin. Oh, Tony, I appreciate that too, man. That sounds like a lot of people here. This is the first time having membership. So, yeah, that's awesome, dude. Thank you so much, man. Tangum Flow was one of the New Year's. That's why I didn't pull the trigger on. But oh, damn, I didn't know that. Dude, Papa Don, 1 month membership, dude. First successful swing trade today, 50% on ACH. That's awesome, Papa Don. Congrats to you, 50% on ACH. That is awesome, dude. Super happy and thankful that you were able to get that 50%, dude. That is amazing. Jim Cramer endorsed Bitcoin. Oh crap. Hold on to your profits. I'm just kidding. XRP coming down slightly, trying to stay above this, trying to get above this 312. It's actually bumped up a little bit, but this area is a 312 area is a tough one. Oh wow, I didn't know you. Yeah, that's actually those are pretty good boots. Then I'd give you that. Trump is taking care of business lately. He's definitely doing something. Yeah, we'll definitely be in a bear market. Things will slow down for sure. Watchman, dude, welcome to being a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you so much, and welcome, my friend, to the A team. XRP taking over Shib. Just got in. Any updates? I see we're back at new levels. Yeah, we're starting to climb back. That's probably the big updates here. Tomorrow we obviously have I'm gonna be on early tomorrow for the event that's going to be here with Ripple. I don't know where it just went. As you guys know, there's a big event tomorrow. Dude, why is my mouse not working? Right here. So we'll definitely come on here early and watch all this tomorrow. So that'll be sort of cool. Doing a small swing. Yeah, we can do something like that. I just got Tangum. Oh, man. Making crypto tax-free would save the government lots of money. Tracking wallets and tax purposes. Probably true. Should we buy XRP before the event? I wouldn't. It's already went on tear. Your buy zone was yesterday, dude. Your buy zone was yesterday. 100% yesterday, man. Again, it's up to you. You can decide here. This is now. It's out of a buy zone. And again, this is just my indicators. You can do what you guys can do whatever you want. This is just these are my indicators. So the buy zone was here. And maybe people are buying for tomorrow. I don't know. So we're gonna abolish IRS. That'd be nice, dude. That'd be so nice not to pay taxes. Yeah, you shouldn't buy out of FOMO, but there will be more opt-outs. Yeah. XRP for the win. Yeah, I'm with you, Deb. What indicator is that? That's a Fibonacci chart. It's a Fib. It tells you your levels of retracements and where your bounce offs will be. So Oh, absolutely, Landon. Yeah, no, we'll be talking about that a long time. I didn't know that lag. Austin, are you part of the top 5, 10% of XRP holders? I don't know. No, I don't know. I don't know. Best website for charts, TradingView for sure, dude. Can we see your shit? Yeah, yeah. I put it up here. Take a screenshot. Just looks like that. No, I'm Dave. But I'll probably be on here about 5 more minutes. I'm gonna jump over to Discord to help people out with the Pure Wallet stuff. So again, anyone that wants to get into the Pure token, and trying to figure it out, I'll definitely help you guys out over in Discord, or things like that. And I'll talk about it too, and upcoming days and stuff like that. So he made a post about an hour ago. Okay, should I stake the Pure token or buy? It's up to you. J Moss. I mean, either way. Staking is going to create an opportunity, but people, I don't know if people are actually staking or not. I don't know. I'd have to ask. What's the one you wish you hadn't bought? Dude, there's so many. I wish I hadn't bought Saitama. I wish I never bought Saitama. Saitama, fostering the future of finance. Yeah, that's the one I probably wish I never would have got involved with. Like 110% wish I never would have touched. All right, Kokor, I got to use my brain. All of this count this money. All right, Kokor, I appreciate you, man. All right, Ria, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now. I think it's Ria, or it's hopefully I said that right. But welcome, you're officially now part of the A team. Thank you all so much, and welcome, my friend. The wait is over. Come on over. The wait is over. Come on over. No, it's funny that no one else gets that, and like that's just the crazy part to me. Keep hearing people talk about it. Oh, what are you talking about, Sean? Does anybody know what program or website he's watching the crypto on? You talking about this right here, Jacob? It's because you didn't sell when I said, yeah, it's true. I don't know how to say this. I'm just gonna say, dude, Douda. I think I don't know how to say it. I think I'm saying it wrong. If I'm butchering, I'm so sorry. Douda, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you, and I really, really appreciate it. Welcome, my friend. And yeah, definitely anyone that's become a member, got gifted a membership, any of that kind of stuff. Feel free. Clayton, the Pure Wallet is a pre-sale we're talking about here. It's a brand new wallet that's come out here. It's a hybrid wallet that has cold storage, offline, first offline wallet, and it'll be the first cold storage you can have on your cell phone. And they're doing a pre-sale, and so you can go in and you can buy the pre-sale. And right now you can get it's through. You can connect with ETH, so you have 11 hours left for. And this doesn't mean the pre-sale is over in 11 hours. It just means that to get it at the price of right here. So that's what it is. You can go over here. The purewallet.ai website is in my description box if people are interested in it. So feel free to click on that and do whatever you wish to do with. Thanks for anyone who gifted memberships. Yeah, that's awesome. Appreciate you guys. Just click on. I have a little link up there, Carl. So feel free to click on that. Say 5 trillion. I know, dude. He's talking about what site to use for watching crypto news tomorrow. Oh, it's probably just gonna be on Ripple's site. It's gonna be on X. X is gonna be the site, dude. Yeah, reflections go up and up. See, it's so funny how we can just keep singing that song. Yeah, thanks so much, dude. Yeah, so with all that, guys, thank you guys so much for all being here. Thanks for all the donations, all the memberships, everything like that. Like I said, I'm heading over to Discord to help people out over there to get into the pre-sale if they choose to and to work things out. So yeah, and Green Apple, thanks again for the donation, dude. Where is the short long? Do I leverage? Can we chat on Discord? Yeah, definitely. You can come in there and chat on Discord about that kind of stuff for sure. And I use Coinbase for a lot of kind of stuff. I don't do a ton of leverage trading, but there's some people that definitely do. Yeah, a lot of scammers tomorrow, for sure. Thanks, Austin. Yeah, definitely. Was she saying show the chat? Oh, I thought I did do the super chat. She's fans yelling at me. But with all that, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Make sure you guys like the stream. Make sure you guys do the thumbs up. I am going to be here tomorrow at 7 a.m. to watch this live. Make sure you guys actually, hit the do